Xinxiang Yulong Textile Co. Limited was founded in 2002, which is specialized in manufacturing all kinds of functional fabric which take FR fabric, high visibility fabric as leading products and safety protective garments. For many years the company owns a functional fabric factory and a safety clothing factory. As a leader of the domestic functional textile industry, we integrates advantage resources of fabric factory and garment factory, build the one-stop functional fabric and garment service center. We are committed to bringing safety and security to everyone, every family, every organization, and building a green and safe world. At present, Yulong Textile Co. Limited has operations in more than 170 countries and regions, serving more than 3 billion people. We can customize fitter production for usage scenario according to customers' demand and feature of environmental condition. Many world-famous workwear brand cooperate with us and accept our service now. Our functional fabric factory covers nearly 150,000 square meters and has more than 500 employees, owns professional research technical team and quality inspection team. At present, our factory has a number of functional fabric production lines with advanced equipments, owns perfect research and development laboratory and quality testing center. We also deeply cooperate with the local universities, so our products can be continuously improved and innovated. Our company always insists on the concept of green protection. The factory has passed the ISO 9001 International Quality Management System certification, products passed OECO-TEX 100 and other environmental detections. In addition, we invested heavily in building sewage treatment station, taking a responsibility of protecting the global environment. Our safety clothing factory covers nearly 20,000 square meters and has more than 200 employees, owns automatic cutting machine, auto spreader, chain 3 needles pattern machine, auto button sewing machine, 5 stitches machine, fell seam machine and other advanced production equipments. We have an excellent and complete workwear inspection process to ensure that all the garment we produced will achieve customers' requirements. We will inspect fabrics and accessories before the workwear production to ensure the quality of the materials we use can arrive the standard. We arrange flow testing staffs to inspect the thickness of thread, the size of the needle pitch, single stitch, double stitch, triple stitch, eyelet, fell seam and thread act seriously. We will arrange professional quality inspectors to test the firmness of workwear after finishing the garments. For example, the inspectors will test whether there are double stitch, triple stitch, and bar tacking to reinforce the pockets, pocket flaps, trouser loops and other position of stress intensity. Once they find problem, QC will ask workers fix it. We will do final random inspection before delivery, so that we can ensure that every batch of the production will be qualified 100%. With the further development of industry, work environment began showing the features of variety and complex. In response to this phenomenon, our costume design team went into the various work scenes to do in-depth investigations and studies, in line with the principle of the protection of frontline workers at the greatest extent. We never stop improving overall security. According to the all kinds of potential risk factors in the working environment, we do improvement for the workwear's details. Traditional workwear general lack of comfort, our design team keep optimizing the tailoring method based on the ergonomic principles, so that to make workers more flexible and comfortable when wearing the workwear. In order to change people's impression on the tooling wear of lack of aesthetics, our fashion design team continuous research the color matching way of workwear and improve workwear size table, so that the tooling can also possess the aesthetic along with the safety and comfort properties. Yulong person takes building a century security enterprise as the target of the company and takes your safety, our responsibility as the core concept. We will go ahead unswerving lit on the road to building professionalization, internationalization, and integration green protective base in the future.